Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a clean and declutter video with me. I really wanted to do this before my surgery because I just wanted to make sure my house felt clean and organized. But yeah, this is what I did. I decluttered and cleaned my fridge, my freezer, my spice rack, and everything just looks so much better. And the best part of this video is that it's a collaboration. I haven't done these in so long, and her name is Sara, and she's gonna be decluttering this closet. And oh my god, she is amazing. We have so many things in common, guys. It's kind of scary. And she just adopted the most beautiful boy named Joseph, and I would love if you guys could go over to her channel, watch her video, subscribe. I know you guys will not regret it. We kind of have the same content, and she's literally super hilarious and beautiful. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so here's everything that I have, and I bought from Maxx, and I bought this one for the pantry, the spice pantry, and this one was $5.99. And then I also got these are really expensive, so the fact that they were so inexpensive at Maxx, it's crazy. This one was $8, this one, and it's like one of those rotatable racks. So this is gonna go in the fridge, and then this one I might put in the spice jar, and it's the same kind, but this one it's like lower. It doesn't have like this thing here. And then I also got this for the eggs, this right here for the eggs, and then this carries 24 eggs, and it was $6.99. All right, and then what are you doing, Isaac? What is he doing? And then I got two of these big ones, and these are all for the fridge. And then these big ones were $5.90, literally $5 at Maxx, and the quality is really good. And then I got two of these little tiny ones, and these also were, oh, these are $3. Oh my god, that's so good. And then these are the same ones as these, but these are just smaller, and I think these were cheaper. Yeah, these were $3.99, so I got two. And then I got two of these long ones to put like soda or juice or whatever, and then these were $3.99 each, and I got two. So those are the ones that I got. And then I've been meaning to buy more different pots and pans, because the ones I have are like really bad. So these are the ones that I got. I don't know if you guys could see, it has like this inside, and it looks like the marble kind, and then the lids are like really high quality, really nice. I think this one was like 25, yeah, 25. And then this one was cheaper. This one is smaller, and then this one was 19. So I love it. I cannot wait to start using these. And then I got the small one that came with the set. This one was $12.99. And then this is not, obviously not part of this, but I've been wanting a little cast iron pan. So I got this one, and it's not that big. It's like literally the same size as this little one. And this was $12.99. So that is pretty much all I got.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through. tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, love a With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you
we are going to start organizing, and guys, look at this. It's so bad. It is. I cannot find anything. There's so many things back there that I've seen that I'm like, oh, I should be using this. If I just yes, I feel like if I just fix this, I could get so many things in here, and so many things I don't even need. Like, do I really need like empty bottles? Like, this is, guys, this is empty. I don't need this empty bottle. This is also an empty bottle. So I'm gonna quickly take everything out.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. Love passion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. We've been dancing all night long. Right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now. But I'm done waiting. Done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Sweet talk. Sweet Even if you try